How to set the default home app to Nova Launcher, Samsung Kids, One UI Home or others on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. And here tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on apps. Now at the top, tap on choose default apps. And then tap on home app. After that, if you like to use Nova Launcher, you can select that. So that's the Nova Launcher home page. So if we switch over, we can switch it to Samsung Kids. So that's Samsung Kids right there. Okay, and here we can switch it back to One UI Home. And that is how you can set the default home app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.